So I'm recording. Okay. So in Salesforce, general sales cloud. If you take a sales cloud, what are the modules involved in the sales cloud means mainly these are all the modules. So for example, lead, then lead will get converted into account, conduct, opportunity, and then conduct can have a conduct, opportunity will have a conduct role, account team, opportunity teams, and the product, price book, price book entry, and opportunity product. Then we do have a code. So I put like all the objects somewhere. 1 second. Yeah, over here. So lead, account, conduct, opportunity product, basically product, price book entry, quote line items, quote PDFs, order line item, case, basic functions. So these all modules available on the Sales Cloud. And based on this module, we have a one more topic called forecasting. That is a separate topic, basically, I would say. Not a module, it's not an object. Basically, it's a forecasting and territory management. But territory management, you won't get any questions. But mainly for forecasting, yes, maybe like 1 or 2 questions. So you may get it. Okay. So first, let's focus on the general Sales Cloud process. So I'm not sure whether I do have that PDF PPT. Let me check. That's okay. Okay. So the general process of the Sales Cloud module is, so from the different channel, you may get a lead. Then lead will be assigned to a sales rep. He will go and check like if there is any duplicate. If there is no duplicate, he will follow up. So once he is follow up, then customer ready to purchase the product, then what he will do, he will try to convert that lead. While converting it, the standard lead field mapped automatically into a account field, contact field, opportunity fields. So which I will show you. So I'm going to select the standard Sales Cloud product. I think I logged into a wrong module. Just give me a second. Okay. Now, so I selected content. So let's go ahead with sales. So let's assume there is a sales module. I will go and create a say new lead. Maybe this lead you get it from partner referrals, or this lead you may get it from your website, or this lead you may get it from campaigns, or maybe this lead you get it from bulk upload. So you can upload that lead like a basically inquiry, and you can create manually, or it can be created from your website, or it can be uploaded from campaign or any trade show like some other programs. So as soon as if you enter the lead, let's say like I'm entering on lead, let's say ABC or XYZ company name, or let's go ahead with like a proper name. So William Smith, company name, let's say Lightful. Okay, and manager, lead source, I will go ahead with like a website or phone inquiry or whatever it is. Like again, these are all can be customizable. You can go and add it like yourself. Like if you are looking for a new values over here, yes, you can go and add it. But we cannot modify the data type. You can add a new pick list values. So I will say web industry, maybe banking, 500K, mobile number, email address. This is the main thing. What is the lead status at the moment? At the moment, just I'm entering it. It's a hot lead. There are 600 employees in their company. So just put like all the address informations. They are interested into so and so product. So this is just a drop down menu. I would say like they are interested into this product. And additional details. Is this is the primary contact? Yes. And put a like additional distinct descriptions. Yeah, something like. Now, as soon as if you create a lead, we have an assignment rule. The lead will be assigned to a owner. So basically the lead is assigned to at the moment myself. Then what I will do, I will go and check like if there is any potential duplicate. So there is no duplicate, then I can follow up. Because if there is a duplicate, some another colleague, maybe my another sales guy follow up at this lead means then there is a no issue, like there is a no use, right? So the first step will be we have to check like whenever the lead is assigned to any sales rep, he has to follow up whether he has to check if there is any duplicate. If there is a duplicate, then he need to coordinate with the sales guy and then try to merge it. You can merge it actually. The standard maximum up to 3 record you can merge. At a time you can merge 3 records maximum. Let's say like if you found like around 8 records, but at a time you can merge only 3 records. Okay. So
yeah, Sampath, what about if the record is duplicate? Yeah, what's going to happen? Like, is the system is going to generate a message that a duplicate record found or something like that?
it will found here. It will display here. It will display all 8 records. So let's say like there are 8 record duplicate for this. It will give you like a 8 record over here. Then you will get a button also merge. So on click on the merge button, it will show you like you can select a maximum 3 record to merge it. Again, it will show duplicate. Then again click on the button. Again you can merge it another 3 records. Again, so until like to make it as a 1 record, you can merge it. At a time you can merge 3 records.
Sampath, but on what basis does this identify that it is a duplicate record? It's just on the name category, or what are the...
In Salesforce, we have a duplicate management rule, right? So you can set up like the duplicate rule based on your criteria. So you can go and set the criteria. So there are standard rules which is provided by Salesforce. So they will identify based on lead mapping. So it will identify based on what? So I will show you that. Sorry, where is that? The mapping. Yeah. So here it will go and check like on the lead objects, city name equal to city name, company name is equal to company, email is equal to email.
Okay.
So this is a mapping. Same way, if you are creating a custom rule, you can go and map it like what type of information like you want to map it, like whether it's a Fuzzy logic or like, yeah, you can put it.
Okay, so these all should be and conditions, right? Like if the name and, correct?
Yeah, that's right. And also whether do you want to allow them to create a record. On creation, do you want to allow error message or report? While editing it, you want alert or report? I want both while editing also. There is an option block. While creating also, you can put a block. Block means they cannot create it if the duplicate founds. The system, it won't allow you to create a duplicate record if there is a duplicate found. And do you want to bypass the sharing rule or enforce the sharing rules? So now assume like I created a lead. Now I follow up with the guy. This guy, like they are interested into purchasing a product. Yeah, they are interested into purchasing this product. Now, if I want to convert this lead, okay, so let's say like I want to convert this lead. Now, while converting this lead, it will convert into a account contact opportunity. Now, how the field get mapped, how the field will be transferred to 3 object. You cannot transfer to any of the custom object. That is the first question. Maybe like in exam, you may get like a whether lead field can be mapped into a custom object. No. And the lead custom fields can be mapped into account custom fields. Yes. Lead custom fields can be mapped into opportunity custom field. Yes. Lead custom fields can be mapped into contact custom fields. Yes. So if you have one custom field here, let's say for example, I will go and create a one custom fields. So just I will create text field. I will add it to the page layout. Okay, now I created a one field. Now this field, while transferring the lead information into a account conduct opportunity, this field, where do you want to push it? Where do you want to move that field? Yeah, so we can decide that you want to push into account, or you want to push into a conduct, or you want to push into a opportunity. Basically the lead will be linked into a three objects. So lead will be linked to a three object. Whenever like the lead is transferred, it will transfer into three entity. So the company information, basically whatever you entered the company, and the address will go into a account, and the first name, last name, and the address will goes into a conduct, and the product informations will goes into an opportunity. And the custom field which we created, where do we go? Like we need to create a custom fields again, any one of these objects, and then you can map it. So for example, I will create a custom fields on the account. I will map into account objects. Field name, I will say like account testing. Even you can map the single field into a multiple places. Even you can map into a account, and also if you want to map into a contact, you can do that. So even contact also you can create a field and you can map it. The same field can be mapped into both places. Let it be. So yeah, we'll go on to map it now. In order to map the fields, what you need to do, go to the lead objects, fields and relationship. See here, mapping lead fields. So click on that. Where do you want to map? So testing lead, yeah, this is the custom fields. Do you want to map into any of the account fields? Yes, map it. Same way, if you go for a contact, do you want to map it to any of the contact fields? You can map it. Same way, if you want to map any of the opportunity fields, you can map it. Yeah, the single field can be mapped into either account or contact or opportunity custom fields. Standard field we cannot map. It's a default behavior in Salesforce. Like all those standard fields get mapped automatically. We cannot change the behavior. Yeah, but if you want to override it, yes, we can use like a workflows or process builder or flows to override the value. Once the record is created or converted, then update like some of the field value into a different value. You can do the update operations. But we cannot change the standard behavior, the mapping behaviors. But if you have any custom fields on the lead, yes, that can be mapped into a account or contact opportunity custom fields, but not any other custom object. So if you want to map this field into your custom object, that cannot be. So this is one exam question, okay?
So what about the, we got employee and insurance or something like that?
It cannot be. It will be mapped only these three.
Okay.
So no more custom object, no more other standard objects.
Standard, okay.
Okay, so okay, now let me, I just mapped it. Let me save this mapping. I mapped into only account. So save. Now I'm going to convert this. So working now, I started working on this contact. They are interested. So once they are interested, I'm happy to convert. So as soon as if you say convert, it will create account. See here, based on the company name, it will create account, and it will create an opportunity based on the first name, last name, and also it will create an opportunity with the format. This one you can enter it any name, and the record owner will be my name. If you don't want to create an opportunity, you can check the checkbox. Just simply convert. See, as soon as the record is created, now directly you can go to an opportunity. See here, on the opportunity, you can see this opportunity is linked to an account. And this opportunity will have a related list. There will be a contact role. See here, this William is a contact basically. And this contact always linked to account, because account is the parent, contact is the child, and opportunity is the child. And for this opportunity, who is the primary contact? William Smith is the primary contact. Now you have an opportunity. Now what we need to do? Which product they are interested in. So you need to add a product. So this product module, again, in Salesforce, pre-configured. If you want to add your custom product, always you can go and add the custom product. So to add a custom product, so go to the product tab. So these are all the products available by default. So sales, bronze, say SLA, gold, platinum, support contract. If the company is selling the support contract, they can create like this kind of line items, and each one like they can add a price. So for example, I'm providing a training, right? So let's say like a company offering a training, Salesforce training. They are providing training. Yes, it's an active. You can create a family, product family also. Product code is ST001 something. Or let's say project management training. Okay, so PM training 001, that is a code. Save. Now I created a product. Now we need to define the price, right? So what is the price for this product? So first of all, we need to associate it to a standard price book. So add it to the standard price book. And what is the cost? I would say like 100K, okay, $100. Okay, so this is the standard price. I'm going to define it, or like let's say $1,000, whatever it is. Yeah, just put 1,000. So as soon as if you added a price book, now you can use this product. So now if I go to a account, now this company looking for a project management training. For this company, I'm selling project management training. So for that, there is an opportunity, and add a product. Okay, now you will see the product is not appear. Why? Because I didn't choose the price book. Let's choose the price book, standard price book. Now add a product. Okay, still now the product is not available. Let me go back to the product. So as soon as add a price, you need to associate it to a price book. So basically project management training, we added a standard price book, add it to a price book. You'll see here, standard price book. I need to add it. The currency will be GPP. So use the standard price, same price. If there is a, that's why like one product can be sold on a different price for each country. So same product on India, different price. Same product on UK, different price. Same product on US, different price. So you can configure it. You can have a different price book for each country, and each country can have a different price. Okay. So here I will say for UK, this is a standard price book. Let it be like use the standard price. Save. Now, if I go on the check, so if I go and add a product, it will come automatically. See here, I can see there is a line items. Click next, and how many quantity they are looking for. Maybe like a 10 quantity, 10 users they are going to take a training, so 10 quantity. And when is the dates? You can put your date. Save. So as soon as if you entered, you will see the price get calculated automatically. Expected revenue. What is the expected revenue? This is the expected revenue. And what is the total amount? 10K. because we are in the prospecting stage. Now I need to send a proposal, right? So I'm in the, we can go step by step. Basically each step, maybe like a qualification stage, I have some questions and discussion with them and add some emails or follow-up calls or anything like that. Each step there are some process involved. Then now during the quotation generation, so you can generate the quote. If the quote module is not available, you need to enable the settings. Okay, so I think like the last time we enabled the quotations. So now if I click on the quotations, I put a quotations, expiry date is up to 20th. Okay, there is a one sync button. The use of the sync button is, so if you are doing any changes in the product, say let's say like you are adding a product or removing a product, it will be automatically synced with quotations and also corresponding opportunity. So if I save now, so if I open this particular quotations, you will see there is a one line items. Now as soon as the sync is enabled, let's say activate sync, start sync. See, if we continue, you will replace all opportunity product with the quote line items. After quote is synced, opportunity product and the quote line items are updated automatically. So if we start adding any new line item over here, it will update automatically to the opportunity products. So we have a two object here. So we have an opportunity and also there is an opportunity product. Same way, we have a quote and we have a quote line items. Quote line items, opportunity product. Now if you are trying to add a new product over here, let's say along with the training, they are looking for another one more product. So let's say SLA gold. Now I am adding this quantity on where I'm adding on quote line items, but this will get automatically added to the opportunity. If I refresh now at the moment one, right? So if I refresh, you'll see it get added automatically. That is the benefit of having the sync enabled button. If the sync is stopped, if you disabled it, then whatever you are adding, it won't be synced with the opportunity. Now let's say once you added discussions, and here also there is a in review, and once the customer is approved, okay, then what you can do, you can generate the PDF. It will put automatically your logos and other stuff, like there is a product, and save quote or save and send an email quote. And one more thing, you can customize this PDF. Yeah, I will show you like how you can customize that. So if I go to setup, quote template, so edit, you can create a multiple template also. So here you can go and customize the templates. What are the fields you need? You need a fields from the account or opportunity or conduct or organizations or users. So you can drag the field from any of these objects and then you can design it. And also if you want to include the logo, so there is options, image, you can include the image over here, the logo. Yeah, I think like if we had an issue in the size, I believe. So I don't want to upload any logo. I don't think the system will allow me. Yeah, it's allowing, no problem. So you can put like a logo like this and the logo will appear in your template. So control minus, yeah. Save. Now, if I go and create a new PDF, this PDF, it won't reflect because already we generated it. Now you have to create a new PDF, then only like the image changes will impact. See here, now the logo come in, and yeah, similar way, like you can modify like all the fields, the tables, everything. Like if they are asking for any discount, you can add a discount also. Okay, so you can save and send an email to them automatically, like a save and send an email. So it will send, like it will pick my email ID automatically, the two address email ID, and you can use any of the templates. So the template like which we designed earlier, there's an email template available, so you can use that. At the moment the field is not populating because the template is different object. Then once if you're happy, send an email. So it will include along with the attachments. So as soon as if you send an email, oh, I didn't click on the send button. 1 second. I clicked on send button, but what happened with my email? The PDF is not uploaded. So let me send it one more time. Not here. So create a PDF. There is a email options. No need to create again every time. So there is a email code. So click on the email code. It will add it automatically the attachments because I inserted template. That's why. Okay, good. So now if I send, so attach and send, yeah. You can see the template is available, like, yeah. Okay, so these are all the standard Sales Cloud product by default available in the Sales Cloud. So company, they are looking for a Sales Cloud process, like a Sales Cloud. If they want to automate their company sales process, simply they can go and buy for the Sales Cloud. That's why like the product cost is heavy. So product cost is per user per dollar is how much, per month is how much? $150, yeah. Because they put like all this process in place already ready-madely available. So you need to go and use it. That's why like a Salesforce license is high cost. Sales product like a Sales Cloud or Service Cloud, the cost will be heavy. Okay, so after sending the code, once the customer is approved, so let's say like I send a code to customers, they accepted it. That's it. Yeah, as soon as they accepted it, now go to the quotation like opportunity, and you can close the opportunity. So there is a negotiation and review, and once closed, you can change the status, either closed won or closed lost. Whether do you lost like the opportunity or own the opportunities. You can change the status accordingly. So as soon as if you change, the revenue field will get updated automatically. Whatever the amount is that, the revenue field get automatically updated. But if you are in the negotiation stage, see here, what is the probability? 90%. So this is your total amount. From this total amount, 90% is this is the amount. So that is your expected revenue. So this expected revenue basically goes into your forecasting. So if you are trying to calculate the forecasting module, so let me show you the forecasting. So if I go for a forecasting, so at the moment it's not setting up. So I need to set up the forecast modules. So click on the setup. Again, these are all the standard which is available in Sales Cloud. So go to forecast settings, enable forecastings. What do you want? Do you want the opportunity revenue forecasting or opportunity quantity forecasting? So like you can go for it. So I will go ahead with the opportunity revenue at the moment. Quantity, if you want, you can allow it. I don't want at the moment. Do you want a manager adjust the forecastings? Enable owner adjustment. And do you want a cumulative forecast? So basically it will add closed won. So basically closed won means all closed opportunity only. Commit forecast means it will include all this committed plus closed opportunities. Best case means best case, commit, closed opportunity, everything it will include in this amount, but I don't want like a cumulative, let it be. And what is a forecast period, like a physical period? So 6 period or 12 period, like you can go for it. Or quarters, you can go for like, yeah, current quarter, it will take automatically 4 quarter or 6 quarters. Do you want to display the quota? Quota means the target. So let me save this. Now, after enabling the forecast, you need to assign the user to a forecast first of all. There is a future license available. So I will assign myself as a forecasting user. Allow forecasting. There is a one checkbox actually. So here you have to enable this checkbox. Allow forecasting. Save. Now, if I go back to the forecast, see here, I can see the amount. At the moment, the quota is empty, right? Because we didn't upload any quota. But you will see closed deal is how much? For quarter first week of 2021, this is a closed deal. Total 4 quarters, what is the total deal? Closed deal is this much, and which opportunity? This is first quarter, which deal we closed. Yeah, and for pipeline, I'm getting like this one opportunity, there is a pipeline. So like that, each users can see it. So basically, like if there are more user in your company, they can see, and they can see their target. So based on the quota, they can go and work on it. So manager can easily go and check, okay, for this sales guy, like how much he closed and how much committed, how much best case, how much pipeline. So how the committed best case pipeline is calculating means based on the opportunity stage. So if I go for an opportunity, we have a different stage, right? So 1, 2, 3, like each stage there is a forecast category involved. So let me show you that. So go to opportunity. Stage. So here for prospecting, open, which means pipeline. Qualifications, pipeline. Need analysis, pipeline. Value professions, pipeline. So under this stage, if there are 10 opportunity means their amount will be calculated under the pipeline. So it will calculate the probability 10% and it will shown in the pipeline category. This is a focus category. Yeah, there is no best case, but again, if you want to modify it, you can modify the status. So if you want to change the status to different stage, you can assign it. And also, if you are creating a new stage, it's possible to create a new stage and you can assign it, like, yeah, you can assign like which stage you want. So these are all customizable. Okay, so maybe like on the forecast, you may get a 1 or 2 questions, but sometimes like they are asking, sometimes they are not asking. Okay, so the meeting is going to be end. So let's pause this. I will just stop recording.